Yes. How are you, great people? How you been? How has been your week? My week has been amazing. As you can see, I'm all smiling. My week has been amazing. Actually, I thank God I've not been sick. I've not been unable to trade. I've been trading, and it has been a very good week. Guys, how are you? What's popping? How are you guys? I've missed you, but I'm glad to be here back again once with a great video for you. If you are a trader, this is a place you wanna be. And again, if you are there, you're in campus, you are there, you're having a smartphone, you are working, you are a parent, you are Gen Z, you are a millennial, but they can reject. Yes, we are rejecting this financial bill. We are rejecting. It's very important to start this session by saying I'm rejecting the finance bill 2024. I'm rejecting. Whether where are you rejecting from? You can comment on the comment section below. Where are you rejecting this financial bill from? Others, welcome to this video. Today I'm your guy Sir FOREX PhD. Of course, you know the PhD stands for the Doctor of Forex, or the Forex Doctor himself. Here we go with another amazing video that I promise I'll be doing each and every week. Now guys, as you'll be able to see from my dashboard, you can clearly see we are in a drawdown currently. We're in a drawdown currently of about we're drawdown. Maybe just go to the statistics and maybe be able to see to our dashboard. Can currently see that now we're in a great drawdown of about 0.75%. Actually, we've lost 0.5% over it should be more, because when we're starting, we're not starting at 5,000, we're starting at about 5,028, but you can see we've lost all the way to 49.62. Actually, that's where we are. But if you check my equity is about 49.90. It means there are some trade I'm holding over the weekend, they are running. But guys, you can see this is the loss we've been able to make over the last week. Hey, it has been a very unpredictable week anyway, but the good thing is to learn from mistake. I'm still going to be very transparent with you people, especially on this trading journey. All right, this is the account that I promised to be sharing with you, and transparency is going to be the key in this this journey. So guys, I've lost, or we've lost together with us. So let's go to the trades that we see are the trades that we've lost. I think we have a journal here that Funded Next giving a journal as a free journal to check what we've been able to achieve so far. And I've had a lot of trades. You can see there are these trades that are open: Euro USD, OC dollar, OC card. They are open. I'm holding them over the weekend. But look at the trades that are lost. Like this one was a loss. Okay, this one was a mistake. You can see even I just lost 0.66. I was supposed to open this Euro card, Euro USD actually, but then I ended up opening. You can see it's almost the same time. I ended up opening. This is why I was forced to close early, so that one I did not count it. But I'm having this trade here. Look at these losses. Where GBP OD, I was trying to short it. It went all of a sudden into losses. This one NSD, I was trying to buy it, losses. NSD USD I was trying to buy it, then it ended onto a loss. This one was I was shorting, it ended up onto a loss. So these are the trades that I took from 18th. I took this trade, these two trades I took them on the same day. Then this one I took the next day. Then this one I took the day after this day. Those are the trades. Now guys, as you all know, first thing first, let us go and see these trades, the exact mistakes that I made, and what was my reasoning when I was taking those trades and everything. Okay, so guys, I've been analyzing this trade, and I can say this trade I made a great mistake myself, because of course my strategy provided that I should sell this pair by the time I was buying it. But I don't know what mistake was. I don't know what was happening in my mind. I ended up buying it again. This one, honestly, this one I even don't know what was happening again with me. So actually, what I'm saying is that these trades I made them, the trades actually they were going according to my plans, but I don't know the mistake. I don't know what was in my mind. I ended up making a wrong decision. You can see this trade I ended up closing it prematurely. I ended up closing prematurely because as we speak right now, the trade actually is running and it's in profit. So I don't know why and I'm still shorting it. So this was it was a wrong timing, because I entered when the market was trying to do what to correct. So I ended prematurely, ended up losing this match. So guys, let's head over to this trade, especially NSD USD and Euro NSD and GBP OD. I want to talk about the mistakes that I made in this particular trades, and I'll be showing you other trades that I'm still having them in mind and how my analysis has been. Okay, so heading over to this chart. This is a chart for USD, Euro, and SD. Guys, tell me why I was buying in this particular trade. Because if clearly you can see, this one is, even can see from here, this one is still is a clear downtrend. Of course, it's a clear downtrend. You can see formation of lower lows and lower highs. It's a clear downtrend. Okay, they normally say make the trend your friend. Don't even try to say I'm trying to trade corrections. With me, that's not my strategy. I don't trade corrections. But tell me why in this trade I was buying. Just tell me why I was buying. Of course, there's some. I was trying to check some corrections here and there, and you can see I marked my previous supply here in the 4-hour, a very clear supply, and the market came here. This was the last high I could see. In this particular case, this is the last break of structure I could see in this particular case. So this was the high I was targeting for a change of character. The market came, of course we have an inducement here. The market came, we had a break of change of character here, as I've said, closed above, it means it was a valid one, retrace a little bit, came, changed character at this particular case here, you know. Sorry, I think we had a change of character was about here, so it means this was a break of structure, expecting a small maybe pullback to this level here. Okay, so in the shorter time frame, maybe this could be a valid one. I've gotten myself a buy from this particular case to this supply zone, but again you can see that the supply what the market did pull down here. Now tell me why somewhere here, it was around here, I think it was on this trade was taken when, let me show you guys. This trade was taken on 19th. Let's check on our chart. Where is 19th? 19th is about here. 19th is about here. All this 19th here. So tell me, these are markets that you can see when they're trying to make a pattern, coming to hit here, coming down, trying to come at this particular point here, and even if you can see here. Tell me why this guy, who is me, around this, I think it was particular around here. Even not here, it was about here. Really? No, it was not here, it was just about here. So tell me why in this particular market I was aiming to actually just like a full-fledged strategy I was aiming to buy. Like it did not have anything, actually it did not have any confluence of mine. It did not have. You can see these are push downward, this great push downward. The best thing I was to expect a small correction and a continued push to this zone before coming up. So me, in this great push downward, I was again expecting price to just come to this zone, which was quite impossible. So tell me why I was doing that. So I've looked at this market after I was trying to get a post analysis on this one, and I laughed at myself because I didn't see any reason why price after this great pull would just come to this zone. It was not me. We expect at this push, expect a small retracement and a push maybe to this zone, and maybe see if you're going to respect this zone, maybe I could have aimed for a buy at this line here if it was to respect this small flag pattern. But you can see now the market has broken now through the flag pattern, and anytime the market breaks the flag pattern, what do you expect? We expect a small retest to this zone around here, which it has happened, and now here we can completely now sell this market to this zone here, going with the trend. Overall trend is a sale. So guys, that's a mistake that I made here, and I'm really loving the mistake that I made, and I'm willing to correct it next week. Let's go to this other pair, NSD USD. A pair that again I lost money. Sorry guys for my English. My English is not Englishing. So NSD USD, where is this stupid pair? Now this pair it was trying to come to me. Everything was clear because these are break of structure. Then this is my order block around this case. So I knew market would come to the order block, if not those fib levels or favor gap. So actually the market came to the order block. Under the order block, what do we expect? We expect the market to keep on pushing because an uptrend. So the market can see the market is reacting to the order block. It came to the order block, and with a market structure shift at this particular zone. So anytime you have a market structure shift here at this particular zone, we expect the market to retrace either to a fair value gap or to a demand zone that has been created, which is supposed to be around here, about this zone that I marked. This zone now, guys, follow me. These zones here, I marked it later because I don't know why what was with me. I entered this market about this level here. I entered around here. Can see on 20th, I think it's on 20 or something. 20th, around. I entered when the market was about above. It had not even retraced to my zone. There was no fair value gap. There was no those fib level that I normally use. I don't know why I entered this market for a buy when it was too early for me to enter for a buy. So actually, I was supposed to wait for the market to come to this, either of these zones here or even another demand zone that has been created here before going for a buy. So a little patient could have saved 9 on this particular trade. A little patient could have saved 9 of this particular trades, but I ended up losing. I ended up losing it all. So guys, that's a mistake that I made on that particular trade. Which other trade, guys, that I want to talk about in this case? I want to talk about GBP OUD. These are short. And even, guys, I don't know even what happened to this trade. I think emotions, I closed this trade. This one was emotion. This one was emotion. I don't know why, but it was emotions which really costed me. I want to see. Let me, guys, show you this thing. This was purely emotions. Because this trade actually I had entered around here, if I'm not wrong. Let me see, when was it, this trade, but I'm very sure it has something to do with the emotions. I entered it on 20th. Let's see with you guys. 20th. So when was 20th? About here. So actually you can see there's something that I hid here. This was my supply. I entered here in a I think it was on a 1 hour time frame, if I'm not wrong. It should be on a 1 hour time frame. When I entered this trade, I'm not sure. 1 hour 15 minutes time frame. So in this, guys, it was a very good downtrend. Then it was this break of structure, and there was this supply zone that has been created here. So I was expecting the price to come, tap into the supply, and continue to sell off like this one. So I don't know what happened. Later on I realized, this one it's not like it's okay. Then I decided to close this market, and I closed it. It was just maybe about here, maybe even about here. So I closed on this small pool here, this next pool, I guess. So guys can see, and how the market behave, because I sold around this particular point here. The market moved to my favor. How many pips, guys? How many pips? 77 pips. Guys can see 77 pips. You can check, guys. You can check this as a sell. Let us check it together. This one is a sell, guys. And you can see I entered this market. When? On 20th. The dates are here. Actually, these are very evidenced case. When's the 20th? Even if you check the candles for the 20th. 20th. This is 21st, Friday. 20th. Okay, assuming this is the day I entered, but it was not. It was early in the morning. It was about this case here. I entered here. So assuming, guys, I was patient enough. How many pips? 77 pips. But who was me? I was afraid and I was wicked out. Because even it was just a week. I came and closed this trade. I was wicked up at 10 pips actually. I was wicked out at 10 pips. Like as you can see, even the Nini is up, but the Nini is small. And you guys can see this was a very good setup for my case. Actually, it was aligning to everything I was in mind. But that's a mistake that I made. I don't know, emotions. Trading psychology is something that you need to, that takes time to develop. I don't know why I really closed this trade. Actually, I was open. I was open a lot size of about 0.1. So in this trade alone, I could have made more than 2% of my account. So guys, you can see these trades, this one, and this one, which have costed me how much? This is 1.4. In this case, this is 1.4. 1.4 plus this one, close to about 2%. This is a trade that cost me to close to about 2% in that particular angle. 2% of my account which is about $100 for this account. Actually, it's about $100 for this account. This is 1.4. Wait, what's the mathematics here? I don't see. 21 plus 13 is going to be, this is the amount I lost. 21 plus 13. 21 plus 13. I don't know. But this one is to be about 60 something or something, or 70 something. Close to 2%. Close to $100 actually. With my risk to ratio of 3, it means this account as we speak right now, without these mistakes, could be sitting at about $300 right now. I could have maybe, it could have been about 6% up, but with my small mistakes, guys, small mistakes, small mistakes, we are where we are. We are now where we are. So guys, maybe just to share with you some of the track record that I'm having. I'm saying that I'm a king of track records. Let me give proper track record here. Let's look at the pairs that actually I was trading and mistakes that again I made. You've not seen this pair here. It means, let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. This was on 13th of June 2024. What has happened? I was expecting price to come to this particular zone and goes down. Look who's me. With me, I had a setup here. I saw something in the lower time frame. I entered this and I left immediately. I left this market immediately. Actually, I left this market, but it's not on this account, another account. I left this market, but look at the market happen. It ran all the way 80 amazing pips to my direction. To my direction. You can see this line here. I entered around here and was expecting my stop loss to be above this zone. Then I ended up adjusting my stop loss to just above here. I was kicked up. Emotions ni mbaya. Emotions tuweke kwa finance bill, lakini emotions kwa trading tusiweke ni mbaya. Finance bill tunaruhusiwa kuweka emotions. Look at this particular again trade. GU is a very good trade anyway, but look what happened. Look at my setup. Look at this setup, guys, and you tell me this one on the 18th. On the 18th. Look here. This is a daily chart. My forward chart is here. What was I expecting? Look at the one. Look even how I drew it nicely. I was expecting this thing here. Beep. What has happened? What has happened? I missed this move. I don't know where was I. I missed this move. 70 pips. I missed it. I don't know. I don't know. I think I should be using trade alerts and pending orders maybe. But I don't work with I don't like pay because sometimes market can. But anyway, guys, those are some of the mistakes. You can see how how clear the market was, and everything has been happening. Everything nicely. Which pair have I not talked about? Aussie card and Aussie dollar. These ones I'm still having those trades are running currently in profit, about 40 pips up. They're still running, and you can see everything is nicely as it is here. This chart here, price now on the weekly trend zone. I was expecting what? Just to bounce, because this was a very strong resistance. Actually, it's a trend line, but a monthly one. So I'm expecting a very good sell. You can see right now I entered about this particular zone here, and the market is doing simply amazing. Just moving right now about 40 to 50 or 60 pips in profits. I'm expecting small, but I'm expecting the market to come to this monthly weekly demand zone. I know it's going to happen. This is just a pull, an attraction going to come. So guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'll be. I'll say. But even guys, you can see from even my analysis and from everything that I posted here, even in the first episode, that my analysis are on point. My strategy, my system is actually working. Actually, if I were to judge my system, it's about more than 70% accurate. But it's only that I need to fine tune, especially my emotions and my entries. Just a small fine tune on what I'm thinking, especially on my emotions and my psychology. This is what I'm saying is I'm really working on building, because it does not come easily. Guys, as you can see, it does not come easily. It happens. We have a good system, but sometimes you don't just have to fine tune a few things here and there, so that it works very, very good things. Because what have you learned from what I've talked about today? You need to learn something. What have you learned? You might be having a very good system, but if you cannot fine tune the system to get a good entry and a good exit, the system can still not favor you. As you can see from my case, I've got even best good entries, but now again the problem of emotion. Emotions can really ruin you. Okay, Then timing. When it comes to trading, again, you need to be active in the market. Just be active. You can use the trade alerts. But if you're using a basic plan of trading view, like what I'm doing right now, but be limited in the trading alert because it only gives, I think, 5 per day or anything. So 5. But you can make use of 5 and get good trades. Maybe. But I know sometimes it happens. Some of us are not full-time forex traders. Sometimes you are at work and you ended up missing those particular trades, which is still okay. Guys, I'm here. I'm very happy. I'm very proud of myself because this is not the end. This is just but a beginning. Okay, it happens. It happens in trading. You don't need to win every day. Okay, every day is not a celebration. There are some days you come and things like this would happen. So you can see right now I'm up about $30 up, and the trades are really running, and they're almost a quarter away. So I'm expecting a good return to these 3 trades, maybe about $100. So guys, let's see, the challenge continues, everything continues, the mindset is positive. That's the best thing to do anytime you are trading. Okay, I still mention reject the finance bill. So guys, that's the case. I think I don't want to make this video as long past this point, but guys, I really love you, and we're going to see this account grow up to a point where we're going to get funded and even get a payout from this specific account. I'm here with you guys, and I'm going to be sharing everything with you, every progress. You're missing a lot if you're not here. Hashtag reject finance bill, but forex trading lazima to trade. If you've not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel for amazing content. I love you guys. I honor you. Come on, like, take a moment of liking this video, commenting. Let's have a chat. Which broker are you using? Which strategy are you using? Which prop firm are you using? Alright, I'm not an affiliate marketer. I'm really a trader and a mentor. Again, I'm having a special package. If you're there and you want to get in touch with me personally, my number is 0710 213011 10 21 30 11. I think I'll leave it somewhere in the description. You can check it. Hook me up for a pan one-to-one mentorship. I don't have Telegram channel. Don't have community like that. I don't have those virtual community. I prefer more of a one-to-one. You can hook me up. We can talk over the WhatsApp. You can even organize for a physical meetup for amazing one-on-one mentorship. Okay, see you in the next videos. You guys are amazing. Goodbye.